Ayuda, may hawak na kamera si Donnie. And they capturing moments and creating memories together. Nangangamoy new vlog. From Beyond the Food Crawl to Korean adventure naman. Looking forward to that. I remember in an interview before sinabi na talaga ni Donnie na gusto niya dalhin si Belle sa Korea. Kasi favorite daw ni Belle yung BTS, now they're together. Manifestation do happen to good people. Enjoy and stay safe, lovers.